So what would you say has been your best career decision till date?
See, since I'm a data analyst,
Yeah.
I believe mastering Excel automation using AI has been a game changer for me.
Okay. And how did this help you exactly?
I've been in the corporate sector for about 10 years and have been stuck in this salary bracket of 8 to 9 lakhs per annum. That's when I only knew Excel. And now by adding AI to my Excel workflow, I can automate 90% of my Excel tasks. Apply over 170 formulas without memorizing them, creating reports and dashboards, analyzing complex Excel data, and preparing all of them in about 10 minutes, allowing me to, sort of analyze things almost 5 times faster. And guess what? It has now put me in a salary bracket of 20 lakhs per annum.
Wow, you doubled your salary. But where did you learn all of this from?
Well, in the 3R MS Excel using AI workshop by Office Master. The workshop is just for ₹99 and has been a game changer in my career. In fact, anybody who wants to excel in Excel should definitely take this workshop.